folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Check it out. What you're about to, man, I'm excited about this because, listen, right now, this site, what you're looking at right now, is making me a ton of money. And right now, I'm moving everything, maybe about 80% what I'm currently doing online here. And let me tell you why. Not just because it's efficient and not because it's the most stable platform that I've seen in a very long time. So look, check it out. Here's my account. I'm already logged in, and I'm gonna give you the Lithuanian site in a second here. You see it says premium shared hosting. I'm gonna explain that in a second, but I want to show you the steps so you can do this with me. Does that make sense? You want to click the word setup here. Okay, shared hosting is basically web space. Whenever you see web pages online and you see them and you click on those links, you see web pages. Well, these type of sites are the sites that actually hold the actual data, the content, if that makes sense here. Okay, so listen, you hit start now. All right, as you can see, I'm in, and what I want you to do is, to make this a very smooth process, is choose WordPress. Okay, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this and how to sign up so you can start making a couple $100 per day, basically modeling what I'm currently doing. They make it, see how easy they made it? It's selected, it's already done, it's being installed right now to my server on autopilot here. Okay, and here I can either create an account here, I hit continue here, or I can just create a new one. I already done it. Now look at this. This is gonna blow your mind. Now I get it. You say, well, Wesley, what is this? Look, the name of the site is basically Hostinger, okay? It is Hostinger. It's probably right now, for my research, and the reason why I'm moving a lot of my website to this platform, because it's secure, it's reliable, and it just make it very easy for a newbie to make money, okay? To put your sites on. But I'm gonna show you a secret trick once you watch the video to the very end to start making money on Hostinger that GoDaddy doesn't provide, Bluehost, they don't do this. But Hostinger, you can make money right now by registering your first domain, and I'm gonna show you how, and getting the premium hosting here. So all you do is select something here. It doesn't really matter what it is, something that you want to look at now, something that's cool, something that makes sense. I'm gonna select this layout for the site here, and then you get here, you can either buy a domain, claim your free domain. How many of you like free? I like free. So you basically just go to hostinger.com. Okay, are you guys with me here? Go to hostinger.com. Just type in hostinger.com. It's going to take you here to the front page of the website here. Okay, are you guys with me here? Okay, just want to make sure. So we're going to Hostinger here. Let me just minimize this a little bit so you can see everything. Okay, you see that? Then all you need to do is, we're going to click off of this, and all we want to do is we want to click on hosting, shared web hosting. This is to make sure that when you register right now for your domain, to make sure that you get paid using the strategy I just showed you here. See pricing here, and guess what? Just because you're watching this video and get the cheapest one or get the premium, that's what I use. It's up to you, but I use the premium because they're secure, they use SSL, and they're very reliable here. You could do 1 month, 12 months, or 24 months, or 48 months here. I like to do 24 months, but you could do 1 month. It's okay. You know, once you start making money, you'll get cool. Put in your credit card information here, your name, and then have a coupon and just type in Wesley, right? And you will instantly get a discount, right? So you end up paying basically pennies to start making money. So listen, once you have the domain, so how do I do that, Wes? Easy. You go to hostinger.com and you scroll down to the Hostinger affiliate program, access affiliate platform. And what you want to do is become an affiliate. That's it. So listen, you're going to get the premium hosting for like pennies, right? And you're going to have a domain, and you're going to become an affiliate within seconds on one of the best domain hosting platforms that I've seen so far right now. And the great thing about it, because it's Black Friday, they're doing so many deals. So I'm getting involved right now, and I'm pretty sure I know what you're thinking. You're getting involved. So listen, in the description below, make sure you click the link, get your domain right now, follow this technique. Once you fill out this information, they will approve you, and you can do a couple of things. You can do a brand new video on youtube.com. So when people type in hosting a review, and guess what? You can use a software by the name of Loom. You don't have to show your pretty face. It's all good. Hosting a review. It's low competition. Look at this. Boom. You only have like 1, 2. It's the same guy. This guy's probably doing well, but you can dominate this guy right now because, as we've seen before, the competition is super low. So listen, like I just showed you, the platform is easy to do. Watch the video again. Look in the description. Grab the link. Host Stinger is Wesley Virgin certified. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go. Motivated, dedicated, let go.